In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss order on Robinhood using your web browser. Whether you're new to investing or just looking to protect your portfolio a bit more effectively, understanding how to place a stop loss is an essential skill that can help you manage your risk and safeguard your investments. First, let's begin by making sure you are logged in to your Robinhood account on your computer. Open your preferred browser and go to the Robinhood website. Enter your username and password, then log in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, don't forget to complete that extra step for added security. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with an overview of your portfolio and recent activity. Now, let's find the stock you want to set a stop loss for. At the top of the screen, locate the search bar. Click on it and type in the name or the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. As you type, a list of matching securities will appear. Go ahead and select the correct one from the results. This will take you to the stock's detail page, where you'll see its chart, recent price movements, and more options. If you're looking to buy the stock and want to set a stop loss order as you purchase it, click on the trade button, then choose Buy. On the other hand, if you already own shares and you'd like to sell them with a stop loss in place, click on your existing position in that stock. Then, from the position details, click Trade, and then select Sell. Once you've decided whether you're buying or selling, you'll notice the option to choose your order type. This is an important step because different order types have different purposes. Click on Order Type, and a menu will pop up showing several choices. From this list, select Stop Loss. A stop loss order is designed to automatically sell your shares if the stock price falls to a certain point, helping limit potential losses. After choosing stop loss, you'll be prompted to enter your stop price. This is the specific price at which you want your stop loss order to activate. Take a moment to consider this carefully. Your stop price should align with your risk tolerance and your investment strategy. Enter your chosen price into the field provided. Before you submit your order, Robinhood lets you review the details. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. This includes verifying the stock, the action you're taking, and the stop price. Once you're satisfied, click Review to see a summary. If everything looks right, simply hit Submit. Congratulations! You've now placed a stop loss order on Robinhood through your browser. Remember, using stop loss orders is just one of many tools for managing risk in your portfolio. Keep learning, stay informed, and happy investing.